Alright everybody, today I'm going to be building a Nightmare Before Christmas Holiday Haunted Mansion wreath. And here is an ornament that we have that I'm going to be basing it off of. So here's what I'm going to use. I have this wreath that I got from Hobby Lobby right here. I'm going to put it on a piece of plywood. I bought some red Christmas lights. It had red berries on there, so I'm going to be using these. For the eyes, I have these two paper mache egg-looking things that we got at Hobby Lobby. And we have this bow right here. So this gives you an idea of the size of the wreath right here. Scarlett's holding it right there. So I'm going to draw out the wreath. Now I'm going to draw out the teeth. Okay, so here it is, it's cut out. Now we're going to put the wreath on top and see how it looks. I cut a little bit thinner on the sides so you wouldn't be able to see it to be underneath this wreath. All I wanted was the teeth to be shown right here. Here I'm going to add some joint compound to fill in some of the cracks. One thing I didn't realize was I bought these egg-shaped paper mache balls, and I was worried about them being like weatherproof, but I saw that you could peel off the paper and it's plastic. Now I'm going to use two of these for the eyes. You could cut it in half and just use one, but I'm going to use two of them. Alright, so I have some Rust-Oleum bright neon color yellow for the eyes. I didn't have any white primer, so hopefully a couple coats will work on this. Okay, so as you know, this wreath with his scary teeth aren't going to be all clean and white and perfect. So I'm going to be adding some stain and stuff to his teeth. Okay, so now the teeth look good compared to the ornament. So now that the wreath is dry, I'm going to put the wreath on top. Once I get it in a place where I want it, I will mark it. some wire to wire it to the wooden frame. I used wire on this project, but you could use plastic zip ties as well. So I have these two cheap wreaths right here. I'm going to use those for the arms because they have pretty good wire in them. So I just got to cut apart. So this will act as the arms. And I just got to do it to this other one. Wire, twist the wire and twist the garland together. Connect it to the wire frame. Okay, I brought the wreath inside so I can work on it. Hopefully you can get a better view. I don't have all the background noises like ambulances going around and the neighbors talking. So now I'm going to add some red lights to it. They didn't have LED or I would have bought those. Alright, so I found the middle part. I'm going to start from the top. Now I'm just going to tuck in and hide these wires so they're not all visible. So I'm really happy with the results here. So now I will continue. I'm going to add these in here because as you can see, the wreath had red berries on it. I'm also going to add the bow tie for the wreath. Now that I got the red berries where I'm wanting them, I'm going to wire them inside. Okay, so I had to redesign the eyeball situation. So I got a dowel rod. And I'm going to drill through the center part. Alright, so now that I got these two pieces, I'm going to paint them white with primer, and then I'll paint them green to match the backing. Next, go ahead and add some clear shine coat to the eyes and to the teeth. Here, I'm going to use some E6000 to glue the wood dowel rods and the eyes to the wreath. Just find the holes that you drilled out for the dowel rods. So here is the finished project of our Disney Holiday Haunted Mansion wreath. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are now inspired for your own Haunted Mansion wreath. Thanks for watching Dark Dimensions Haunted House. Please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to share this video. And season's greetings from Dark Dimensions Haunted House.